Now you're ready to set out the bottom plates, you will need to review your foundation plan for the profile set out requirements. This will vary depending on profile size and whether you are building on a timber subfloor or a concrete slab. Once the bottom plates have been marked out, the longitudinal walls can be laid into position and screwed in place. For all external wall notch junctions, a self-adhesive foam square is required. This foam square compresses between the profile and provides weather seal, which is why it's only needed on the external walls. Prior to screwing down the gable bottom plates, a bead of construction adhesive is to be applied on the foundation 15mm in from the outer edge. Once this is done, the gable bottom plates can be placed into position and screwed. You'll need to refer to the fixing schedule for the bottom plate fixing requirements. Now that the bottom plates have been securely fixed in place, the tie rod holes can be drilled through the flooring or stringer. The tie rod locations are noted on the construction plans and have been pre-drilled in the bottom plates already. We recommend writing on the floor a T at each tie rod location and E for electrical ducting. This is especially helpful for the electricians when it comes to drill out for the wall sockets. As the profile is effectively the finished product, please do treat it with care, as any marks or gouges on the boards can be difficult to remove or repair.